I'll take care of it.
Okay, then I'll do this instead.
Well, just try to be careful.
Look, I'll be fine. It just has to be cut up, right?
Sure, I guess. Maybe you could do it a little less forcefully.
Uh-oh. Huh? I thought for sure it was gonna go better this time.
Just give it another shot and you'll do fine.
Am I just totally useless?
No, not at all.
If I can't contribute anything, I'll probably be kicked out.
Listen, Nana. No one expects you to do anything perfectly the first time. Also, there are plenty of other chores besides getting dinner ready that you can help out with. Let's see.
Maybe I can be the one who gets things from hard-to-reach places.
That wouldn't work.
Why not?
Even you said so yourself, didn't you, Nana? We have to protect your secret as much as we possibly can. Someone important to you told you to be careful, right?
Papa! I'm home.
Welcome back.
Something smells burned.
Yeah, you're right.
Hey, we're back. Did you guys burn something?
Not really. Lunch is ready. So please come join us if you like. It's just a single dish, though.
Thanks, Mayu. Sorry for leaving you with all of the work.
Don't worry about it.
Oh.
So, did you find anything good out there?
Yep. Thanks for the food. What's up with Nana?
Well,
She's still trying to figure out her strengths, huh?
She always keeps quiet and never says anything about herself. I have no idea what she'd be good at.
Honestly, there's lots I'd like to ask her about.
Why not have her clean? Maybe with Mew.
Huh?
Yeah, that could be good.
With Mew?
Yeah, so?
Well, Nana is... It seems she doesn't think much of Mew.
Huh? Why not?
I guess,
Look, it's too late for that now. If we have them do something together, it might break the ice and get them closer.
Get closer?
Yeah, all of us closer.
Oh, Coda.
Thanks for the food. With Lucy, you said?
Uh-huh. You two should try cleaning together.
All right, then. Fine, I'll do it. As a fellow Diclonius, I refuse to lose any challenge to her.
That's kind of not the point.
All right, victory will be mine. Mew, 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 mew. All right. Mew, 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 mew. Give me back my leg, you. other side get a little dirty, huh?
Oh no!
Nana! It's not as bad as it looks.
What happened?
It's okay. I'm all
You
right.
really don't look all right to me. There's blood on your face. Let's clean you up and disinfect that cut.
Okay.
Come on, careful. Will you clean this up? After that, we can have some snacks.
Some snacks? These are great! Look, they're shaped like cute little birds. Thanks, Maya.
Yeah, that's right.
I didn't think a few cookies would make him this happy.
For all we know, maybe all the girls with horns react to dessert like this.
Somehow I don't think that's relevant.
I mean, they're shaped like little birds. It's almost a shame to eat them, don't you think? No way! This is the best thing I've ever eaten! They're so sweet and crunchy!
Oh, yeah. About Nana's chores.
Hey, Nana, so how did the cleaning go?
I hate cleaning.
Well, but,
I said I hate it! I hate it!
But you can at least clean, right? Even you does it to help out.
That has nothing to do with it. I really just can't stand cleaning, okay?
Nana!
What is it?
You shouldn't be so selfish. I told you. People who don't help out can't stay here anymore.
I never asked you to let me stay here in the first place, did I?
Hey, listen, damn it!
Relax, Coda. Nana, if you don't like cleaning, we can figure out something else.
Forget it.
Nana, wait!
I knew it. It's impossible for me to live with other people like that. Also with Lucy around. Yeah, that's right. She's the only problem here. If it weren't for her, it'd be perfect. Not just for me, but everyone else too.
Hey! Don't be tossing trash on the beach! I'll friggin' kill you!
I'm sorry.
If I see you littering around here one more time, you'll be done for, asshole!
Okay, I got it.
Shit. Damn top sticks to the back of my teeth. Friggin' crappy melon bread pissing me off. The hell you doing? You mean you're still hanging around here?
I was just thinking about something you said before. About how people like me don't belong anywhere. But really I do. So I'm saying you're a liar.
You really think so, kid? Well, more importantly, we gotta hurry up and find out where she's hiding. Huh? What's up? You must be hiding something.
Like what?
Hold on. Does that mean you found her and you didn't tell me? You know where she is, don't you?
What did I say to make you think that?
You're not sticking up for her. Give it a little time and now the two of you start getting chummy with each other? Answer me, damn it! She's my prey, understand?
I know. I'll bring her here tonight. I promise.
Bring her here?
What else am I going to do? You found me out, right? That's right. Being around me is too dangerous. I'll put Mayu and everyone else in a really terrible situation.
I've checked and the sand dunes are mostly cleared, so there's nothing too big she can throw at me. Then I just gotta be sure to keep my distance from her. Game over.
Welcome back.
Oh, thank you.
Mew was so worried. You just left and we had no idea where you went.
I overreacted too. I'm sorry.
It's my fault. I was being selfish. I'll be sure and clean and help out.
Where are you going?
I thought maybe the two of us could take a walk and make up or something.
A walk?
Yeah. Well, I guess I'll see you later. This is for the best, isn't it? She heard me.
Friggin' rain? Not so hot for my suede shoes, but awful handy for washing up the blood.
You want to share with me? So, you just expect me to forgive you now? No way! You can't buy people off with food. Lucy!
Well, this is a dilemma. Having dug up all the information on that mysterious death, it seems she's definitely still hiding somewhere around Kamakura. But locating and apprehending a young girl whose existence was previously unknown is like grasping at smoke. Horns?
I finally found her. She's the demon who will bring ruin to this world.
So she's an original?
5 years ago, 4 children were savagely murdered at an orphanage. It was this girl who at that time went missing. And barely 1 week after that, a mass killing occurred at a festival packed with people. Witnesses only described the culprit as a young girl wearing a knit cap, probably to hide her horns.
And now we know her face, too.
I've already cast out the net.
Excellent work.
Let's hope that this is the end.
I'm sure it's only the beginning.
I wonder if she's okay. We're not even friends. Why am I worrying about her so much? Lucy, are you back?
I'm going to the police.
You should just say that I did it.
No, I can't do that.
Don't worry about it. It's just one person after all.
Huh?
Let's hide here till morning.
That won't help at all. No matter how much we run away.
Look,
Huh? How are you doing that?
it's 'cause I'm a witch. So there's really nothing I can't do.
Wow, that's cool!
I know I should be leading her to the beach. But this is my chance. I can finally show them I'm not useless. Papa,
There's no one else remaining inside.
You're sure, right?
Yes, sir. The wanted girl was confirmed on our surveillance camera footage.
Good. We move in as soon as preparations are complete.
Soon we'll find ourselves face to face with the Queen.
she and you went for a walk?
Yes, that's what she said.
That sounds kind of strange. It seems like Nana has been trying really hard to avoid Mew.
They've been gone a pretty long time now.
This rain sure has got me worried.
Yeah.
Let's just hope they're waiting out the weather and they'll be back as soon as it clears up. I swear.
Friends?
Maybe a few years from now, if you're able to find me, then we can still be friends, right?
Be my friend.
Can't we?
But I'm... friends with someone like me?
I don't care how you look. The only thing I care about is you. Don't worry. No matter what, I really like you. Let me hold on to this, okay?
Okay.
promise I'll take good care of it and always remember you.
Don't tell me. You're going to the police. You can't! How did they find us already?
It looks like we're up against two Dicloni. Better move in quick.
We still don't know if the other one is a Diclonius.
The cap she's wearing is proof enough. We can't afford to take the risk. Fire!
It'll be all right.
Well, that settles it.
Take a shot from the side.
Understood.
Don't worry. I told you I have the powers of a witch, didn't I? I promise you I won't let them hurt you.
Hold on! I'll save you! Please don't die! What good are all these powers if I'm not even strong enough to save the life of a single person?
Your kind has no place in this world.
I see. You bastards wanted me. This girl just got in your way.
Don't try to run. There's nowhere to...
Please, this girl is innocent. You have to rescue her.
Let's make a deal.
A deal?
If you promise to surrender peacefully, then we will do what we can to save her.
Do you swear?
Yes. You have my word, but you'd better decide fast.
Secure her!
Get the girl to the hospital ASAP!
Please hang on. I'll come for you someday.
It looks like Lucy's strength is fading away. There must be something I can do. No! Hold on! No!
I bear unfortunate news. Sadly, the young girl has died. We did everything we could, but I'm afraid it was too late. I'm sorry.
Do you have family?
My wife and daughter are both dead. Why do you ask?
I won't kill you.
What?
But one day, for sure, I'll make you suffer the same fate. I will kill everyone who matters to you. One day, for sure.
I won't let you touch her. Not Mariko.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
So this is where you guys were. We've been looking all over for you.
This?
They're yours, Nana.
They're for me?
Well, I certainly don't want you wearing my underwear forever.
Oh, I picked this one out for you. I hope you like it at least a little.
Yeah. Of course, it's really cute. I've never worn anything like it.
Those two are getting along pretty well all of a sudden.
Looks like it. I wonder if something happened on their walk.
In any case, from here on out, I hope Nana can fill us in a little bit more about herself.
I agree. And if we're lucky, maybe we'll end up learning something about you.
I wonder if we'd be better off not knowing.
What do you mean?
I feel like if we did, we wouldn't be able to live like this anymore.
Why do you say that?
I don't know, really. Just a feeling, that's all.
Coda.
Anyway, for the time being, they seem to be getting along pretty well, right? That's good enough for now.
Stop it! That tickles you!
No way! The same thing happened to me when I moved in here. Now it's it's your turn to be initiated.
Maya, you're so mean!
That's right. Hey, Nana, there's something you can do after all.
What's that?
How about being in charge of Wanta's food?
Are you okay?
What was that all